Hello?
Hello?
Hi, good morning.
Hello po, good morning, PPJ. Good morning po sa mga listeners.
Good morning. What's your name?
Evie po.
Ano na?
Evie. E-V-I. Just don't put an L sa dulo. So,
Okay.
so tunay kong pangalan po. Pero yeah,
Okay.
Evie.
Evie. Okay. Evie, lang taon ka na?
28 years old po.
From?
From Bataan.
Saan ka sa Bataan? Malapit ka sa Dambana, Kagitingan?
Malayo po. Siguro may 1 hour and 30 minutes po na drive po siguro.
Saan ka, mga Orani, ganun?
Opo. Hindi ko sana sabihin pero sige, para natuntun niyo na po, galit talaga ni Papa Jackson.
Yun lang yung 1 hour and a half na drive dyan eh. Parang, di ba? Parang yan yun eh.
Opo. Medyo malapit po sa katotohanan. But kumusta po, PPJ?
I'm okay. I'm tired today. I'm
Oh.
so tired. Pero, parang ko na to eh. Parang, pampawala ng pagod ko na to eh.
Opo. Kita naman din po sa personality niyo na rin po, kumbaga. Tsaka you love doing this eh. Diba? So,
Well, that's nice. And
maganda.
anyways, you sound so eloquent. Anong trabaho mo?
Marketing design coordinator po.
Marketing Design Coordinator. Ano yun?
Opo. Bali yung trabaho ko po is parang graphic designer, pero yung pinaka specialty niya is nasa may marketing. So currently I'm working sa isang BPO company dito sa Philippines, and then meron po kaming client based in Los Angeles, California. So real estate firm po siya.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ano ka rin? Parang ang amo mo ay outside of the Philippines. So pag holiday dito, hindi ka rin kasama.
Opo. Pero minsan naman po may freedom po kami na na mag-day off. Ganun. Or minsan din kapag kunwari pumasok kami sa ganitong holiday, pwede namin siyang i-offset kumbaga. So parang ilipat yung holiday namin sa ibang araw. So usually ganun po ang ginagawa ko. But besides that, maybe I'm doing just fine po. Thank you very much din po.
So ano ka pala, no? Tawag nito, kasi output-oriented yung trabaho mo, di ba?
Opo, ganun nga po.
Kaya, kumbaga, yung schedule matters, really less. Basta may result ka, may output ka.
Yes, tama
Anyways,
po, ATJ.
28 years old ba? Ang bata pa si Evie. Anong dahilan ng pag-uusap natin ngayon, Evie?
This is actually my first time talking to you, and I'm thankful for this opportunity din po. But currently, masasabi ko parang may halo po kong inggit sa sarili ko and inggit po sa mga kaibigan ko kasi I am a breadwinner sa family po namin. 5 po kami magkakapatid.
Panganay ka?
Bunso po.
Ba't ikaw breadwinner?
Lahat po kasi ng mga kapatid ko may mga asawa at anak na po. So may mga kanya-kanya na po silang family. Hindi na po nakakapag-provide naman, pero syempre ang iniisip ko pa rin is yung sila kahit paano. So si Bunso muna, parang ganun. Si Bunso muna ang bahala sa family, sa mga parents ko. Kasi ako naman po yung nag-aalaga po sa kanila ngayon eh. So ayun po, may kinalaman po doon sa pagiging breadwinner ko po yung reason kung bakit po ako tumawag. Kasi yung circle of friends ko, shout out to them actually, I'm very happy for them, and lahat ng accomplishments nila sa buhay, I'm so proud of them. But on the other side of the story, naiingit ako sa kanila kasi sa state ng buhay nila, mga kasing idaran ko rin po sila halos, may mga asawa at anak na po sila. And then ako, I'm currently single. Kakahiwalay ko lang po sa past relationship ko last July. For 5 years po yun. And hindi ko po maiwasang, isipin na kailan kaya ang turn ko. Although this is very bad Because comparison is a thief of joy, sabi nga rin po nila, but I can't help but overthink what would happen to me in the future. What would happen to myself? Magkakaroon po ba ako ng family na inaasam ko? Kasi there's this one time din sa church, nagsimba kami ng parents ko, and I saw a couple with their own child. Tapos siguro for 10 minutes tinitigan ko po sila, and I couldn't help but para magpigil ng luha, kasi parang ganun yung gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko, but still medyo malayo pa siguro sa palagay ko. So that's the reason why I called po. Ayun. So thank you, PPJ.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yun lang po. Okay na po yung parang event ko kumbaga.
Okay. May tanong ka dun sa with all that you said, may tanong dun eh. The question was, I do not know what will happen to me in the future.
Opo.
It was hidden amongst all the thoughts that you blurted out tonight. But anyways, let me address that question. I do not know what will happen to me in the future. Tama?
Opo,
Okay.
tama po.
Well, surprise, no one knows.
Yes.
You don't know. I don't know. No one knows. Well, that's already out of the way. May mga tanong akong gustong itanong sa iyo. Evie.
Yes po.
You just broke up with a girl.
Opo,
Okay.
last July po.
July. Last year?
Yes po, actually.
It's been a year. Almost.
Opo.
How long were you together?
5 years po.
Okay. Was there any time during those 5 years that you felt the way you feel now?
Ano po, pakiulit po?
Was there ever a time during those 5 years that you felt the way you feel now?
Yes po. And
Kahit may girlfriend ka, nararamdaman mo na naiinggit ka sa jowa, kasi may mga jowa yung kaibigan mo? Is that what you're saying?
hindi naman po totally. Pero here's the thing po kasi sa may ex-girlfriend ko po. Kasi ang preferred niya po is wala pong anak, kasi meron po siyang condition sa kanyang sarili. Retinitis pigmentosa po. And yung reason kung bakit ayaw niya magkaanak is because ayaw niyang maging parang mamana po yung condition niya dun sa magiging anak po namin. But still, nag-compromise naman po ako, pero parang yung tunay na purpose ko talaga is magkaroon po ng anak. So at that part, I would say meron po akong flaw, pero I couldn't get it out of my head pa rin po. But still, maybe that's the problem din po sa akin, I would admit.
Mm-hmm. But you were together for 5 years. Kasi ganito yan,
Opo.
Yung problem niya ngayon ni Evie, I'm trying to figure out whether that is caused by your situation now, which is very temporary, or it has been kumbaga a concern of yours for a long time now. So tinatanong lang kita kung kahit ba ng mga panahon na may girlfriend ka, naiinggit ka sa mga kaibigan mo?
Opo, talaga. Kasi
But you were
nakikita
together
ko
for
kasi-
5 years. Kayo ng girlfriend mo dati.
Opo, for 5 years po. Di ko po maiwas kung mainggit sa kanila kasi may mga anak na nga po sila. Gusto
Okay.
ko po sana ganun yung mangyari sa amin ng girlfriend ko. But still, I understand kung ano po yung pinanggagalingan ng partner ko that time. And,
Kasi health reasons.
opo, health reasons, and siguro masasabi ko na rin kung bakit hindi rin po kami nagkaroon ng parang mutual understanding when it comes to having a child, is because of the situation.
So ibig sabihin yung paghihiwalay ninyo Evie, was really meant to happen.
I would say so po, yes.
Okay.
And can I say something po,
Go
PTJ?
ahead, sir.
Yeah, I would like to send a message to my ex po. And
Mhm.
sana nawa, I'm sorry. Nawa maging maayos ang kalagayan mo because there's not in a day of my life na naiisip ko yung kalagayan mo and yung kalagayan diyan sa family ninyo. Hindi naman complicated yung situation niya dun sa family nila, but alam ko kahit nagkahiwalay na rin tayo, naisip pa rin naman din kita, and I wish you nothing but all the happiness in the world, and you deserve to be happy din po. And I hope you get the love from someone else na hindi mo nakuha din sa akin. And yeah, loving you from afar, and
Who broke
I
up
hope
with you?
siya na po kasi
Oh, she broke up with you. What was her exact reasons the day she broke up with you?
yung energy po namin tsaka yung compatibility po namin hindi po talaga nagtugma.
No, I
So,
don't believe that. Because you were together for 5 years. There has to be a
opo.
reason. Kasi kung energy lang and yung ano nyo, yung kumbaga yung wavelength ninyo, you were together for
Opo.
5 years.
Opo. I would say din po talaga na definitely it has something to do with the energy and compatibility kasi sa loob ng 5 taon, I would say meron namang may happiness, meron ding sadness like sa mga typical na
No.
relationships din
No,
naman.
hindi yan. The day that she broke up with you, what did she tell you?
She told me that sana yung mga nangyari sa aming dalawa hindi na ma-carry over dun sa magiging partner ko in the future. Meaning hindi ako magkulang kasi I would say din naman na may pagkukulang din po ako sa partner ko when it comes to being her partner. Then I'm lacking of making her happy at the same time din
How?
po siguro.
How?
Siguro hindi ako naging ganun ka-expressive sa kanya, and hindi ko siya naitratong parang babae talaga, ganun. Hindi ko siya nabibigyan ng bulaklak, ganun. Hindi ko siya nadadala sa ganitong klaseng restaurants or anything. Hindi kami makapag-banding. Although there's a couple of times naman din na nagkaroon kami ng parang vacation together, but it's not enough. It's not enough na ma-revive yung namin, yung spark po namin together. But other than that, PPJ, energy incompatibility din po talaga kasi ako gusto ko rin po talaga magkaroon ng anak, and sa kanya, sa side niya, ayaw niya po. Ganun.
Okay. I think what you said reveals a lot of the real reason kung ba't kayo naghiwalay. But anyways, that's water under the bridge, no? Tinatanong ko lang yon kasi I just wanted to have a complete picture or maybe a partial picture of, kasi sabi mo kanina, ang bungad mo kasi sa akin, medyo envious ka sa mga kaibigan mo because they have families na, di ba?
Opo.
And you had a girlfriend for 5 years pero hindi kayo pwede magkaanak. Tama?
Opo.
Medyo
Ganun na nga po.
confused lang ko doon because when the first part of your story, you said gusto mo ng anak na hindi kayang ibigay ng girlfriend mo. Tama?
Opo.
And then siya pala nakipag-break sa'yo. So that does not add up to me. Anyways, sabi mo, nainggit ka sa mga kaibigan mo. Why would you make them as a parameter of your happiness?
Siguro, PTJ, yun yung naging representation ko ng idea na ganun dapat ako. Ganun dapat yung maging estado ko at the age of 28 kasi hindi ko talaga maiwasang mag-compare, PPJ, sa edad ko. Kasi Yung mga parents ko rin nagsasabi na rin sa akin na kailan kami magkakaapo sa iyo. Ganun. Gusto na namin makilala, ganun. Gusto na namin makita, maalagaan kasi senior citizen na rin po sila, PTJ. And sana, nawa, knock on wood na lang din po, sana wala po talaga mangyari sa mga parents ko dahil I love them to death. I hope they will see my son or daughter, I would say. Along with my wonderful wife din po, syempre.
Ano itatanong mo sa akin, Evie?
Is it a crime for me na mag-compare sa iba? Lalo sa estado ng buhay ko po, PTJ, dahil breadwinner po ako and parang kayo na rin po ba magiging hadlang kung marireach ko yung bago ko ma-reach yung maging dad ako, ganun?
Okay. Hindi ko alam, Evie, kung I do not know if I can give you a very direct answer to what you're asking. But I can tell you some things coming from another guy. Is that okay?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Lalo, galing po sa inyo, PPJ.
Okay, here you go now. First of all, I want to reiterate sa iyo na you are just 28 years old. There's so much time ahead of you. There's so much time ahead of you that your worries today is a little bit overbearing sa edad na meron ka. Because you are just 28 years old. I mean, if you have that mindset at the age of 28 years old, you are forgetting to have fun at that age. Because you should be having fun at this age. I am not saying that what your concern is somewhat invalid. I'm just saying you cannot force life to happen when it won't. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but you cannot force life to happen if it won't. You can just go ahead and live your life. You're just 28 years old. There's so much that life can still offer you. 28 ka pa lang. Napakabata mo pa. Now, given that you are just 28 years old, and there's so much time on your hands, no? You are just putting unwarranted pressure sa buhay mo by making your age a problem of your existence. Nakasunod ka?
Wow, yes.
Okay? You are making your age a problem of your existence. As if being 28 and being single is a curse. It's not. I mean, you are, for crying out loud, you are 28 years old. You have a job. You have the ability to look after your parents. You are a very eligible bachelor. Bakit parang problema siya? Hindi ko nagigets yung part na yun. That I cannot reconcile that part.
I understand.
Okay, that's number one. Number two, do not make other people's lives as a parameter of how and when to be happy.
Wow.
Bakit sila yung parameter mo? For all you know, maraming 28 years old dito may mga obligasyon at inggit sa buhay mo kasi wala kang obligasyon na meron sila. You have your parents to look after. I mean, sa part na yan, hindi na natin para pagtalunan pa yun. Pag ikaw na ang nabunot, it's your turn. Ganun yan eh. And I'm assuming I'm assuming na sa kwento mo sa akin, dahil bunso ka, minana mo yung obligasyon na yan from your older brothers or sisters.
Opo.
Dinaanan nila yan. It's just that it's your turn now. Tama?
Opo, ganun nga po.
So, wag natin gawing big deal to. Kasi, yan pala yung, that's exactly, how the dynamics of the family works, no? Okay, ganito.
Opo.
Let's go back to your ex, no? You broke up almost a year ago, 10 months ago to be exact. Tama?
Opo.
Okay. And, kung if I'm going to take your story, di ba, at face value, yung paghiwalay niyo magjowa, you were 22 na naging kayo?
Opo.
It was meant to happen. It was meant that you're going to break up. Tama?
Opo.
So bakit parang problema siya? Eh talagang maghihiwalay naman kayo because in your vision board, you are supposed to be a father and
Opo.
she cannot give you that.
Maybe pinanghawakan ko po yung promise ko sa kanya na maging tenga and maging mata niya, literally, because dun kasi sa may condition niya na may retinitis pigmentosa po siya. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, para po siyang mata ng manok, ganon. Tapos progressively, parang lumiliit po yung field of vision niya. So sa gabi nahihirapan po siya. Kasabay nun, meron po siyang Usher syndrome kapag nag-progress yung retinitis pigmentosa niya, which means hindi po siya makakadinig po. Ganon. So I meant it when I said na ako yung magiging mata and tenga mo pagdating ng araw. Aalagaan kita sa abot ng aking makakaya.
But
Hanggat
you're
sa
the...
dulo ng hininga ko
Okay,
rin po.
Evie, but you're the same person who told me tonight that it's
Opo.
not the ideal life that you want.
Yes, I'm willing to
So what... Okay,
to
wait.
compromise po.
Why would you promise her something that's going to make you sad?
Oh, that is actually a good question. I couldn't answer it.
Maybe you should answer it now. Bakit mo siya pinakuha ng bagay na alam mong burden sa'yo? Nagigets ko yon. Yung
Opo.
gusto mo siyang alagaan. Pero malinaw sa vision board mo na hindi siya ang gusto mo. Because, ganito yan. Bilang tao, unique tayo sa part na to eh. There are people we like, there are people we don't like.
Yes.
Okay? And those people we like, no one can tell us how to like them and when to like them and why we like them.
Mm-hmm.
Walang makakapagsabi sa atin. That's actually a gut feel that we develop and subconsciously and unconsciously make a decision towards it.
Mm-hmm.
So, like i-connect natin yan sa problema mo. No?
Opo.
Alam mo, hindi ko sinasabing mali na pinakuha mo siyang alagaan. Ha? That's a good thing.
Opo. Mm-hmm.
Pero hindi bukal sa kalooban mo eh. Kasi may inggit ka sa mga kaibigan mo.
Yeah.
Hindi siya bukal sa kalooban mo.
Hindi siya wholeheartedly.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe that's why she broke up with you. I don't know. But she made the decision. She already wanted out of the relationship.
Siguro.
Oh yeah. Ang dibali naman, Evie, ang dahilan naman ng pagtawag mo sa akin ngayon is that you just wanted to vent. I'd like to think, no? Gusto mo lang mag-vent no, na may mga kaklase ka na pamilyado na, may bahay
Opo.
na, may asawa,
Opo.
may anak, and you don't have. Tama?
Opo.
Well, Evie, you are young. Bata ka pa. Even if you start at 35 with them, I'm not just suggesting you do. But in case you do that, it's not too late. Kaya ko sinasabi sa ito because if you make your age a problem of your existence, you are going to forget how to have fun. And you should be having fun. Sa edad mo na yan.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
You should be having fun. You should be out in the world chasing all your dreams. Can I tell you something from a guy's perspective?
Yes, of course, PPJ. Anything from you?
You are not a hunter.
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you. I'm not confirming it with you. I'm telling you.
I'm not a hunter.
You're not.
Mm-hmm. I'm not a hunter.
You are not. And that's not a bad thing. I'm just saying you should know when you're not a hunter. Because some men would chase women. These women are hunters. They know what they want. When they say what they want, they chase after that girl. When you're not a hunter, and you know that you're not a hunter, then you have to put yourself out there for you to be seen, to be found, to be discovered. Go out, see the world, have fun.
Kumbaga, PPJ, parang lumabas ako sa radar ng certain na tao. Tama po ba ako ng pagkakaintindi?
Well, you made it complicated.
Oh, all right.
I'm just saying, go
Sorry.
out. Just go out.
Yes.
Just go out and have fun. Have fun, go out.
Mhm.
Let the world see you.
Wow.
Instead of parang iniisip mo na, oh my God, 28 na ako, I'm still single, I don't have a daughter, I don't have a son. Not all of us are.
Wow.
Hindi naman lahat tayo will be gifted by the opportunity or the chance or, di ba, to be parents. I'm not saying
Opo.
that you are not. I'm just saying, when you're not, you're not. And you are not yet a parent. Doesn't mean you won't be. Pero kung ang mindset mo na ay hindi na ako magkakaanak kasi 28 na ako, then you just sealed your own fate.
Yes. Now it makes sense now, PPJ. Thank you. Wow. I couldn't say anything but other than wow. Yes. Parang somehow nakalibrate yung mindset ko looking forward. You know, nga naman dapat hindi ako ma-pressure sa sarili ko. And wag maging big deal ng age. Tama naman, PPJ. Wow. Maybe I needed this today. Thank you. Thank you very much, PPJ. And
Well, unang-una, alam mo, Evie, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad about it because we all go through the phase of confusion. You were confused. You don't know exactly where life is taking you. That's okay. That's completely fine.
we are all but human. Lagi mo sinasabi yan eh, PPJ. We are all but human.
Oh yeah.
Wow. I needed this today. And I would say na hindi ko pinagsisihan na mag-reach out ako dito sa podcast ninyo, PPJ. And me as your listener for the past couple of decades, I would say, or a decade lang pala, sorry, masyadong OA ang couple of decades. I'd say na meron po ako natutunan po sa mga stories na na-encounter nyo every day. And mula pa doon sa may kabila, ayoko na sabihin yung pangalan, but yung nasa kabila, yung nasa unang station ka pa lang, I'm listening. And I even bought your book, PPJ.
Oh, thank you. Salamat, sir.
Yes, and kayong dalawa ni Kuya Chico, kayo yung naging inspiration ko sa dapat magiging career ko, to be honest with you. Ito medyo out of the blue na rin po to, but maybe I'm just saying this to thank you din kasi somehow nagkaroon ako ng source of inspiration when it comes to my career path nung bago ako tumuntun ng college. But nangarap ako maging DJ katulad ninyo. Na-inspire ako dun sa trabahong ginagawa ninyo, and sayang hindi ako napagkalooban ng pagkakataon din.
Well, it's never too late. There's still time.
Mm.
Masyado kang pessimistic. Ano ka ba? Go chase your dreams. You are young.
Yes.
You've got time.
Maybe I'm fine for this for now. Kasi ito dito, kahit hindi ko naman na-reach yung pagiging DJ katulad ninyo, PPJ. Satisfied ako sa path na tinahak ko eh. Kasi namold ako ng mga teachers, ng mga mentors ko mula pa nung high school to college, and even naman ngayon sa mga kasama ko sa work, namold naman nila ako. And thank you, PPJ. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Sana kasama niyo si Kuya Chico because every duty ko din, kayo ang pinapakinggan ko din. Kayo ang pinapakinggan ko para kahit paano yung bad days ko maging better naman din kahit paano. And thank you for everything that you've done for this industry, for this radio industry sa Philippines din. And kayo ni Kuya Chico, ni Miss Cara. I hope to meet you someday, and we'll see down the road, I would say. Thank you, PPJ, for this. I really needed this. lalagay ko siya sa journal entry ko.
Thank you, sir.
Opo.
Good morning po, Evie.
Good morning din po.
Good morning.